Critic 2014 is awarded to Akshay Pawar from DJ Sangvi College for his passion and understanding of the film medium in all its elements and his ability to rationally analyze and appreciate art form. We'd love you to tell us about the experience of judging and what the jurors and you got up to.
Let me.
The Dimensions Mumbai Silver Gateway of India for second best film.
And the award goes to Unfit, directed by Shrishti Jain.
Wow!
Hello?
Awards the Silver Gateway of India for the second best film to Unfit, directed by Shrishti Jain, for telling a familiar tale with charming witticism and pointed humor.
I thought I was tongue-tied today, but okay, wow. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mommy, for doing this year after year and giving us the opportunity to give.
And now, moving on. The Dimensions Mumbai jury for the 16th Mumbai Film Festival awards the Silver Gateway of India 70, directed by.
So sorry.
It's okay.
Anyways, what's going on?
I only heard it.
Jury special mention award goes to Selfie, directed by Ramchandra Gaunkar.
We'd love you to share your experience.
Good evening. After a week spent here, I can say good evening, my dear friends. I just realized that I forgot my speech in a hotel, so. But anyway, I can say a few words.
Be here. I had actually, unlike Goran, I have remembered my speech. But in the spirit of this film festival, I'm actually going to tear it up because it's very long and boring, okay? Because this is exactly what happened to this festival.
The competition jury of the 16th Mumbai Film Festival would like to announce the jury award.
The jury special mention for the ensemble cast of Court.
तुम्ही आत्महत्या या विषयावर कधी कुठलं गाणं लिहिलंय का?
हो.
And I strongly oppose the request for bail.
कठीण आहे.
The International Competition Jury of the 16th Mumbai Film Festival would like to make a special mention for the ensemble cast of Court, whose subtle, underplayed and naturalistic performances were integral to the success of this movie.
Thank you so much.
I didn't tell you, but this is what you have to do when you come here.
Good evening, everyone. I really have a lot to say, actually. First of all, thank you, Anu, for inviting us, really, because sometimes we get so caught up in the glamorous world of Bollywood that we don't really think beyond our own lives. So thank you for giving us some humility, and I'm so glad that I've, in my small way, been able to be a part of Mami this year. It's really beautiful. All you guys have worked with a lot of heart, and thank you so much, and I promise I'll be here every year. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm now going to request Mr. Weber to give the next award to the winner of the Silver Gateway of India for Best Actress.
Are they going to screen it first, or do I read first? Okay. So, international competition, the Silver Gateway of India award for the Best Actress goes to Liron Ben-Slush for the film.
I'd like to invite Mr. Rajan Puri, Director of Filmistan Film Company, onto the stage. Martin could not join us, but the director, I think, now this is when the teleprompter is doing something different. So, yes. The Silver Gateway of India for Best Actor goes to, can you?
Will you call me to speak later or should I speak right now? Because I want to speak right now.
Okay, then come.
Okay. Firstly, I'm really so happy that I'm here. This is the best award ceremony I've ever been to. Because I can feel everyone's passion, love, hard work, and whatever you guys have done. I mean, as filmmakers and as all of you all to put up this event, I'm so overwhelmed, and at so many moments through the evening, I was, very overwhelmed. So I hope next year and the years to come, this happens every year without any of the things that you have to face this time. I don't know what all it is. So yeah, and I'll do everything in my capacity to contribute to this festival. Thank you. And the international competition jury for the Silver Gateway of India for Best Actor goes to Martin Lozion, I think, because it's in French.
The pronunciations are...
It's Loizillon, so Martin. Is he here?
Martin could not join us, but the director, Raphael Neal, and producer Jean-Philippe Bruxelles of the film Fever will accept the award on his behalf.
Ce que nous attendons de vous est surhumain. Il vous faudra être surhumainement inhumain.
The international competition jury of the 16th Mumbai Film Festival awards the Silver Gateway of India for the Best Actor to Martin Loizillon. Lozion.
Loisillon, it means a little bird.
Loizillon?
Yes.
Loizillon for the film Fever. In this terse, stylish depiction of a monstrous act and its consequences, Loizillon brings
Are you going to ask?